What's up, guys? You're watching the Sit Show, and if you are new on my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and a like. And today we're going to talk about the error about how to fix error CE-33984-7. It's the IP address failed fix on PlayStation 4. I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. And simply go to the screen, and then you just go to the settings, and here we are the network. Go to the network, set up internet connection, view PlayStation network services. Sometimes the server is down, that's why you get the error, something kind of IP address error or a DNS error. That's why the server, because of the server is down, not your Play Store, your other settings that go online, you are not going to able to play it. So here we go to the settings and set up internet connection, and you just simply forget the old one and connect with the new one. So simply that's how you can fix this error. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and a like. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box, and see you soon for the next one.